My people, I greet una. Una good evening. Una good evening. This is also Godwin channel, GSTV. Now here with the fire those bad leaders, all those bad government. In fact, now because of all those bad government, I make me even open this channel. I just invest this evening. That one our president, so that one our president. That means Buhari no fit come out when people they protest. He will come out. He will address the youth. He will address the na social television with the see our president. Buhari no fit come out when she dey contest for president. When she dey go house to house, they beg, make them vote for her. This is the time when we need president. He no fit come out, come address the youth. He will come out, we dey see her for laugh and direct. Say this one we don't see our president today. Not before television. See all the old youth. I take God beg una. I take God this time so this our opportunity so if you miss now forever this fight we know if you withdraw and go back we must see this end for this fight. Our youth where they don't die, they no will die in vain. We must fight this battle till it will reach the end. We must conquer all those bad that all of them must come out for that seat. Before Nigeria will get peace, before Nigeria will good. I take God beg una. I take God beg una. I take God beg all of una. I take God beg una. Whether they don't say Nigeria give China, we don't know. Now so money body they borrow, we don't know. This is our opportunity to fight this battle. I take God beg una. We will fight this battle. This now we will win them. We will win them because we don't ready they win. We will win them. We don't need support from international because we don't need support from UN. We don't need support from them because they benefit from us. That's why you see said all of them don't silence. They don't want to do something about it. This fight now our fight. We need to fight them. This fight now our fight. You know, concern international. Now our fight. Now we won't fight this fight. Reach the end. If it's too much, I will call Nigeria. Now we will fight this fight. This is the end. I take God beg all of you now. Me una no withdraw go back. Me una no withdraw go back. Cause our youth where they don't die for because of this protest. May they not they vex. May they not they pursue Nigeria youth. May they not they pursue us. I take God beg all of you now. We need to fight this battle. This revolution, how would they find revolution? Because those body there, if you leave them at the dead there, if you leave them at the dead after when body don't talk now, they say that if they say they don't settle everything now. Hey, they will do more than that. They will do shit. What they will do Nigeria youth, it will even worse than the one that they cried before. Me will not give these people a chance. Me will fight this battle. Because we must conquer them. I take God back all of now. I take God beg off now. My youth of Edo State. I take God beg all of now. The whole world, the Nigeria youth. I take God beg now. Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa. I take God beg. More all of us don't hand. As we do it before, more fight this battle. More no withdraw go back. I take God beg all of now. I take God beg all of now. We don't need international. We don't need their support. Because they don't want to put, they know what they benefit for Nigeria. They all of them, they benefit something for Nigeria. That's why they don't want to put. That's why they don't want to put. We need to fight this fight by ourselves. We will fight them by ourselves, this fight. I take God beg all of you. We will fight them by ourselves. I take God beg I take God beg all of you. I take God beg una. I take God beg una. I rest my case. Who see this video, may share and I take God back. We need to fight this fight. Or Saturday now, we'll start. They go protest for a year. You don't know when they fight this battle. Now, because of them, I make me open this channel. You don't know when they fight this government. They're no good. Now they make Nigeria be like that. Anywhere you go now, you know, respect no day. If you say you be Nigeria, Many of our Nigerian people that they bear another country name. For Europe, yeah, they bear another country name. Because if you say na Nigeria, they don't respect you. If you say na Nigeria, they don't give you any. You know, they look you like criminal. Now our government, cause I take God beg una. I take God beg una. Our government, they are man and devil. See food where the time of coronavirus, see food as a palliative, see food where they say make the share, they go store for warehouse. They are heartless. I will say not be our loving ones where they can support. You see, I can't balance, can't they fly like I can't come the fly for social media like say tomorrow not day. I will say not be all those ones. Our people they for suffer for us. See food where they bring make the share. You just say all those food not never expire, so they'll go put them for warehouse. They are heartless. They are stupid leaders. Both senator, governor, so all of them, both councillor, rich president, they are heartless. They are stupid people. I rest my case. If you see this video, may help me share them. I'm very angry. Stupid leaders, stupid Buhari, stupid Burata. All of them are stupid.